Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm your welding expert George. Some of my customers want to know how many materials cold welding machines can weld. I talk to them. Almost everything. Every metals and every metal alloys. For example, I have two materials. This one is stainless steel. This one is copper. And usually we use TIG welding machine to weld stainless steel and copper, but the effect is bad. So I will take a video to show the performance of welding stainless steel, the performance of welding copper. Stainless steel sheet. The first point is to weld at the two ends, and then point by point. There were 2 points. You can see the spot by spot. You can use a finger to touch it. It's very cool. And A side, it's clean, bright. B side. Okay. So cold welding machine can also weld copper. I have 2 coppers. Also spot by spot. For copper, use this brush to brush it after welding to make the bead cleaner, and there's no discoloration in the back. It is A side, B side. So today we demonstrate 2 kinds of materials. One is stainless steel. The second one is copper. Okay, after the videos, we make a conclusion. Look, cold welding machine, SC1100, cold welding, stainless steel, copper. Today we take videos, stainless steel, copper. Tomorrow we will do demo of cold repairing. For more information, please contact me, George. See you next time. Goodbye.